to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the Rush EB Plus 360. I don't know what to call this. Check the move in 3, 2, 1. Welcome back, guys. So we are here in Frankfurt, Germany, my first tutorial outside of the HQ for a very long time. A version of this move was actually shown to me by Brandon Lee, who I met in America, and you guys have been asking for this trick, so we're gonna take you through it. Hopefully it won't take too long. It is an advanced kind of move, trick, whatever you guys want to call it. There's a few kind of prerequisites to the move. You're gonna have to learn how to do the Rush EB. So if you guys have already seen that tutorial, the Rush EB is very simple. It's literally behind the back that comes around your body. So Nathan, just feel free to kind of like go around me here. If you remember this tutorial, guys, this is the Rush EB. It's quite different to the kind of natural like EB, like the traditional EB, which kind of comes around the front of your body. This one actually comes from the side of your body. So you're here. Now with the icon rope, what makes it so cool is you can do these tricks really simple. It's like so much more easier than the money rope. So the move is when you go to your side swing, your dominant side, in my case it's the left hand side. When you go to your left hand side and then go to your right hand side, or the opposite side, you're gonna throw your dominant hand across the front of your body and your weaker hand behind your body. The key simply here, guys, is you just need to make sure that you point the handles in opposite directions. As you do this, it's gonna make the rope go around your body as so, at a kind of 45-degree angle. So that's the kind of like recap on the Rush EB. I expect you guys to know this. This is an advanced tutorial. Go back and check it if you haven't already. What I'm going to show you is now you're going to step into this move, into the 360 as you do that first EB. So you're going to come here, you're going to step into the move. You're now going to kind of turn your back completely. So it's like a kind of 180. You're going to go into the move as so. Now I tend to jump with my left hand side because I'm creating the EB from my left, which means my left foot goes forward. You then pivot the body as so. If you guys are gonna do it from the right hand side, your right foot's gonna be on like in front, and then you're gonna turn anti-clockwise. So when I do it, you go into the move, twist your body, and you're here. That's the first step, okay? Remember, it's all about the footwork when you're gonna kind of execute these moves. We want you guys to look really slick. We want to make it look effortless. So as you do this, really focus on your footwork. Don't worry too much about how your hands are doing. Complete the EB, make it look slick, guys. You're gonna jump off the front foot, spin the body. The second step is now the backward crossover, okay? This is where it gets a little bit tough. So Nathan's gonna have to swing around a little bit here. So what's gonna happen is as you complete this first move, you're now in this position. As the rope goes over you guys, you stay there, Nathan, sorry. As the rope goes around you, come and do a side swing. Come do a side swing like this. As you do this side swing, you cross your arms, right? Depending on what side you guys do this on, is how you're gonna cross. So I go clockwise, I jump through the rope here, and then my left hand goes underneath my right. There's another cross here, you jump through, and then you twist around and bring the rope around. So this move is kind of like awkward because you're gonna have to learn how to do this backward crossover. The way I'm gonna teach you how to do the backward crossover, guys, you stay there, Nathan. Imagine I've done the spin. So I've done the 360 here now. I've done the 360, I'm now facing behind. As you come to do this backward crossover with the icon rope, it's so simple. You just make sure your hands stay fixed. You've got the long handle. Make sure you generate the revolution with your wrists. You're gonna get the revolution, jump through. At this point is when you have to sort your hands out and flip it around your body. That's so. So 3 parts to the moves. Entry, as you then spin behind, backward crossover, revolution, turn around again, and then back into normal skipping. So if I do that a little bit more smoother, it's 1, 2, 3. So I finish off with a side swing crossover. Okay, so 3 parts to the move. It's really kind of tricky at first, guys. You just need to sort your feet out. Just remember, when you spin, make sure you understand your footwork. Left foot comes forward for me, right foot will come forward for you if you want to spin anti-clockwise. The backward crossover, keep your hands crossed, good revolution, spin back round. So that's the 3 parts to this move, guys. I don't want to go into too much detail. Just remember, I'm going to show you some slow motions. Watch it, practice it. It won't come overnight. It's the whole beauty about skipping is that it challenges you. You won't get it straight away, but when it does click, it'll stay with you forever. So let me know down below in the comments if you found it useful. I didn't want to make it too technical, guys. I want you to really watch the B-roll or the kind of extra footage I play on top as I speak to you. Watch the slow motions, watch my hands. It's always in the wrist when it comes to skipping and always in the footwork. So keep that in mind. Let me know how you get along and let me know what else you want to see going forward. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace. Right, so for those of you interested, the Icon rope, if you've been living in a cave or haven't seen my previous videos, this is out for pre-order this Sunday, July the 21st, 4 p.m, rushathletics.co.uk. This is a unique long handle freestyle rope, something very different for the market. Super strong handles, if you don't know. This is the beaded version I was using today for the video, but we also have a PVC version which comes complete inside the box, and you're also going to get some grip tape as well. So this is the first of its kind, guys. Polycarbonate handles, super comfortable, super robust. Like, you won't be able to break this very easily. So get online, 4 p.m. We've also got our mats coming back online, and we've also got the Elevate training mask. So everything is going down this Sunday, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you there.